Hello everyone, welcome back in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will discuss about Python identifiers, which will help you to understand what type of name we can give. Identifiers are user-defined names to represent a programmable entities like variables, functions, class, modules, or any other object. If we assign some name to a programmable entity in Python, then it is nothing but technically called an identifier. So we have some rules to follow while writing the identifiers. Identifiers can be a combination of letters in lowercase a to z or uppercase capital A to capital Z, or we can write in digits from 0 to 9, or we can write underscore symbol also. For example, my class. Here my is small, then C is capital. Another example is shape underscore 1. Okay, an identifier cannot start with a digit like 1 shape is invalid, but I can write shape 1, which is fine. Keywords are reserved, so we should not use them as identifiers. That I already told you. Also, we cannot use special symbols in our identifiers. Identifiers can be any length, but using a large name more than 79 characters leads to a violation of a rule which is set by the PEP 8 standard. Right? So these are the important rules which we need to follow while giving name to identifiers like variables, functions, class, modules, or any other object. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.